Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make two separate directories with synced folders in them. I'm going to do this in the context of Minecraft, but it can be used in other situations too. I'll also show you how to create an automated way of repeating the process simply. So you load up Minecraft for the first time on your computer and are presented with a single game directory and a play button. After a few months of playing in your worlds, you decide that you want to download a few mods and play with them installed. But how do you access worlds in a newly created directory? And if you want to switch between the modded directory and vanilla, changing settings and whatnot every time, then how do you go about managing all that? First off, go to your main Minecraft directory, which can normally be found by searching for %appdata% using the Windows+R command. Make a new folder and call it something similar to launcher profiles. This folder will be the one that you store your modded directories in. Create a folder within that, which will be the directory which you will launch from. Now consider which items you would like to sync between this directory and the main one. In this example, I'll sync the saves folder. Copy the Minecraft directory that you want to put the synced folders in. Then open command prompt with administrator access. Now in command prompt, type mklink. This is a command used to create what is called a symbolic link. Basically, when Minecraft fires up, it will think that it's looking at its own file, when in reality, the link is pointing to the main directory's saves folder. If you want to make a link to a folder, then type / and then D. If not, then just skip this step. Next, you want to paste in the directory that you copied earlier, and keep in mind that if any part of it has spaces in it, then it needs to be inside quotes. At the end of the pasted directory, finish off by adding the file name for whatever you want to sync over. So in my case, I would do saves. Finally, hit space and copy in the directory to the reference file, and then hit enter. If everything was done correctly, then there should be a linked folder in your new directory. As you can see, when I click it, it has all of the saves from the original one inside. Now if you go to Minecraft and create a new profile using the modded folder, it should sync up all of the saves. Here's a demonstration of what I did. So that's cool and all, but typing everything into the command prompt can be very tedious. I found a way to automate everything using a Windows batch file. Basically, these are files that run as if it were executed in command prompt, which is basically what we're doing here. This program will walk you through the process of making a bunch of links in a custom folder. All of it will be in the description, but make sure you're following along here too so that you know generally what the code is trying to do. To make a batch file, create a text file and then rename the ending from .txt to .bat. I'll be using VS Code to edit the file. First, we'll set a variable leading to the default directory. Add a section and type this code in order to ask the user if they already have a new folder to send the synced files. Under another section, use this code to go through the process of creating a new Minecraft directory, which will activate if the user did not have one already. Another section will activate if the user did have a pre-existing folder. The code lets them choose which folder they want the synced files to be created in. Finally, one last section will be used to actually create the symbolic links in the selected folder. Hopefully you can somewhat understand what each of these code blocks are doing, but if not, then you can ask questions in the comments and I'll try to help to the best of my abilities. If you run this program, it should have some helpful hints on what to do. It also creates the synced files pretty quickly and with ease. Here's an example of what it does. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, then give it a like and check out some of my other content. If you like that, then subscribe so you know whenever I upload. Have a nice day, and I'll see you later.